Good morning. I'm making some homemade hot chocolate. So in here I have a half a cup of sugar, a fourth of a cup of dark chocolate, a dash of salt, and a third of a cup of water. When this comes to a boil, we're going to add the milk, 4 cups of milk. Okay, so here it is boiling. They say let it boil for 2 minutes and then you add your 4 cups of milk. And so this is where we add our milk. Okay, so I've added the milk. I added a little heavy cream to it too. I don't know what that's going to do. I'm trying to make it a little creamy. And I have that 2% milk. They say don't let it come to a boil, but let it get the temperature you want. So we're going to stir it, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, y'all, so here's my hot chocolate. And for this one, all right. So that is my hot chocolate. Very simple recipe, and it is very, very, very good. All right. Enjoy your day.